Hello, guys, welcome back to the video. We actually going to be playing YouTube Simulator X, okay? Oh, that looks so cool. So, guys, and as you know, look how OP I am, okay? So, yeah, guys, so today, I'm actually going to be grinding in this game, okay? And see how far can I actually get, like, in 50 to 20 minutes, I don't know. So, guys, and as you know, today's actually on Monday. The reason why I actually want to make this video, because, I just wanted to I just feel like, I feel like making a video randomly, okay? So, yeah, but today, we actually might be playing Pet Simulator X. So, as you know, my parents are out, especially my grandparents, okay? And especially my baby brother, Topper. So, today, we actually might be playing Pet Simulator X. So, YouTube Simulator X, it's just because I'm so used to the game. So, the last video, we actually made a Pet Simulator X video about the Halloween update. And and actually watched so many videos that people were actually starting to get so many mythicals. Like, isn't that crazy? These are these YouTubers I've been seeing that are actually getting so many mythicals and legendaries are one of the craziest Pet Simulator X series videos ever. Okay, so yeah, and it's actually because it's actually in the curse tag, but it's actually, and also it's actually 666,000 candy, so definitely worth it, one of the best eggs ever. But the thing is, there's actually something wrong with Pet Simulator X. So, Preston actually nerfed the price yesterday, which is actually good. It's actually 525,000, but he also nerfed the lock, okay? He actually nerfed the chance, okay? So now, he actually nerfed the egg. So which means it's actually going to be a little bit, it's actually going to be more harder and harder in what's actually get for people to actually get legendaries and mythicals. Man, why, Preston? Why did you do that? Maybe it's just because, it's because of researchers why the title of there's something wrong with Pet Simulator X. I mean, come on, man. I know there's something wrong, but like, it's actually, it's so good. It's just so good when people just get mythicals. I just love to see it. Man, dude, why do I have to keep getting disconnected? Guys, guys, I can't. Why do I have to keep getting disconnected? I need to do this to Ash Quacksman to just for the very purpose to just to Ash Quacksman. Learn to yeah. Oh my gosh. Now I'm gonna have to rejoin again. So yeah. But yeah, good. Pet Simulator X, the curse tag has been nerfed, okay? And GMJ actually made a video of that Pet Simulator X is actually scamming us, okay? And he's right, because, since that, it's actually so hard to actually get mythicals and, legendaries. Even though the legendaries are still way more easier than getting mythicals, but, I mean, I guess, but still, I don't know why did he do that, man. I mean, maybe it's just because it's way too OP. Like, I think he wanted to be generous. Like, I think on Saturday he was actually like acting generous. So I don't know. Like, yeah, but I never seen people getting mythicals this fast before. Like, on Saturday and Sunday. Like yesterday and on Saturday. Like, it was one of the craziest. It's actually like one of the craziest updates. Actually, okay. It's okay. Not gonna lie, guys. It's actually one of the craziest updates ever. People just gain mythicals and legendaries. Glocksray, gain a rainbow mythical. Man, like Grumpy Graven and Razor, man. They just gain mythicals, man. They're so lucky. I can't even get a single mythical and a single legendary. I'm a big noob at Pet Simulator X. But today, but hey, guys, at least I'm actually playing YouTube Simulator X today. But yeah. Man, these guys are grinding, man. They're actually killing Pet Simulator X. So, you actually go away, just, tap the actually go away, get SD cards, because now I'm actually getting 144 quadrillion, SD cards, and as you can see, I actually go for 142,000 subscribers. So, this is actually my house. This is actually my crib. So, let me show you guys inside my crib, okay? So, yeah, and these are my plaques. They actually looks the same. And look at my stats. It's actually so good. Like, look at that, dude. Dang. It's actually, look at it. It's actually 30,930 stat percent. boost. Like, it's actually almost up to 14%, and you can only equip 5 plaques, place 5 plaques. I don't know why, but I mean, there's a lot of room, guys. I mean, like, there's actually room. Okay, so yeah, guys. And this is actually my computer, this is actually my black chair. Okay, so yeah, guys. So I'm actually getting 5 quintillion cash every single time. Oh yeah, I need to actually box and get the candy. So yeah, if you know, the candy actually gives you a multiplier of getting more coins and get like 1.2 times coins cash for 5 minutes. It's actually good, and look at this, I'm actually getting 6 quintillion cash. Okay? So yeah, so definitely go after me. Use this backpack. It's actually quite useful. Okay, it's definitely 100% useful, and you'll be able to get a lot more money. Okay, so yeah, so yeah, I kind of feel like buying a new. I feel like buying a new item. So let's go to the shop. Okay, so yeah, so yeah, this is actually my camera. And it's actually, so maybe I'm gonna have to upgrade it. Okay, and guys, as you know, this door, you know this pig door, yeah? It actually travels you to the best area. It actually travels you to the best area that you've ever unlocked. Okay, not the best area in the game. It's just only the best area that you've unlocked, because that would be so OP, man. You don't even have to go outside. Keep on you have to just keep on unlocking, just wasted gems. Okay, so yeah, so yeah, and also this actually, and yeah, I got this camera, and it actually, and it looks good. But even this one looks good, even this one, man, these are looking so good, guys. I mean, I love it, man. It looks so good. So I can actually go outside and forward to this computer. This is actually what I need. So let's go outside, go back to my house. Okay, I mean, my crib, I mean, it is my house. I mean, you can actually add furniture. Okay, so yeah, so let's go outside, remove this computer. Okay, we don't need that anymore. Okay, so yeah, believe that we're gonna have to come quite back in. Dude, what the heck? It's actually just going backwards. See, now we get now we get even more cash. Okay, so yeah, see, look at this, guys, and now we can go outside, just keep on grinding, and let me be, so guys, and you know what, I'm gonna go outside and be right back. When I'm actually going to be losing all my SD cards, and I'll show you guys how much, and I'll come back of how much cash I'll be having. Okay, so let me be right back, and I'll show you the cash I'll be having. Okay, so yeah, okay, I actually got 13.26 trillion cash. Okay, so this is actually how much cash I got. That's actually a lot. Okay, so yeah, so as you can see, my boost is actually about to run out. See, this count is actually useful, so you can go actually collect around the map. But the thing is, it's actually really hard to actually collect in a public server. It's because the area is too big, and it's actually because, and like, it's because there's houses. If you're actually in the private server, yeah, it will only have your crib, and it will have no one's crib. You'll be able to collect candy so easily, like there will be so many candy. So yeah, that's the problem. But unfortunately, I actually don't have Robux. But it's okay. I'm actually used to it. I'm used to going without Robux. I mean, yeah, at least you don't have to steal my mom's credit cards or something. We're not like scammed, you know. Just these fake risk starts. I just hate it, you know. I was trying to get Robux and lost Euro. But I can't believe I'm actually collecting so many candy. So yeah, definitely collect these candies, guys. They're actually quite useful. Okay, so yeah, so let's go outside go to the shop. Okay, so yeah, so let's go outside and as you can see, I actually got 60 million views. Okay, so yeah, so let's go outside just go outside, go in this conveyor. Okay, so yeah, so it will move faster, alright? I mean, yeah, of course. So, okay, my boost is actually, there's actually 30 seconds left for my boost to run out. So, yeah, okay. So, today we actually be progressing, and hopefully be able to see how much far we actually get, even though this game is actually so laggy. So, let's see how much does it cost. Okay, 5.7 quintillion gems. Dang! Oh my gosh! I can't believe I'm actually, dude. I'm actually so close. Yeah, Guys, I don't know which one should I actually buy. Okay, so yeah, so I'm actually getting 444 quadrillion gems. I mean SD cards. What the heck am I saying? So you know, guys, I have a good idea. So I'm gonna go somewhere, keep grinding. I'm gonna go somewhere, grind for the gems over here. Okay, so yeah, and then hopefully be able to go somewhere, get to 5 point. So yeah. And then we actually go somewhere, be able to unlock the next area. Okay, yeah, so yeah. Okay, why am I trying to buy that? Why am I trying to equip that? Okay, dude, what the heck, man? I'm not supposed to be equipped to things. Okay, let's just go somewhere, grind like that. Okay, so yeah, so let's go somewhere, keep grinding. Okay, so yeah, and we are about to get 5.7 quintillion gems. Cute, so yep, and we have enough. We actually have enough to actually go outside, get to the next area. Cute, so yep, okay, I'm just getting so many gems, man. I'm actually getting way too lucky here, guys. So yeah, and there we go. We actually unlocked the next area. Cute, so yep, so and because, but the thing is, you should not actually buy the best camera and the best computer in this area, like in the previous area, because look at this. They're actually really expensive. It's because they're actually not worth. And look at these. It's because and like it's because these ones are actually better. Okay, so yeah, okay, the next area costs 679. So these are actually more better, so, and they're actually more cheaper than the previous ones. So don't go actually buy the best ones. Okay, so yeah, just don't buy these ones. Okay, so go actually just go and buy the items that actually are just right at the start, like over here, you know, like over here, and like you should always buy these. I mean, they're actually more better. Okay, so yeah, definitely not worth it, but these ones are definitely 100% worth. Okay, so yeah, so yeah, and this is actually total series, right? So yeah. So let's go and get a new computer, okay? Man, of course I'm I'm actually wasting this money, just need to go somewhere, man, just don't want to waste my dad's money, just, guys, my dad needs to keep paying lots of money to Ash Goxman for my brother's grammar school, nurses for this coach said to Ash Goxman get better education. Okay, what am I saying? That's just a joke, okay? Don't listen to me about what I'm saying, okay? But anyways, so, so now, we actually got a new computer and a new camera, okay? So yeah, so yeah, let's see how much SD cards do we actually get. Oh yeah, we actually get still a lot. Okay, so yeah, so wait, what is this? 35. Okay, let me see how much is this. Okay, 35 trillion 184 billion 200. Dude, I'm actually getting less. I used to get. Guys, did I actually unequip the wrong camera? Did I actually unequip the wrong camera? Actually, let me go to the shop. I used to get 144 quadrillion SD cards. Wait, this doesn't seem right. Okay, let's just go explain. Let me see what camera's that. I might be forgetting. Okay, so let's go to the best area possible. Okay. Oh man, it's so laggy, guys. I just don't like when it's actually so laggy. So let me see which camera. Let me see. Okay. Let me see. Let me just go over here. Oh, guys, I'm an idiot. I didn't even equip this. Okay, so yeah. Now we are getting a lot of SD cards. Now we actually are getting 1.1 quintillion. Man, I was such an idiot for actually not equipping it. That was such a stupid thing for me to do. So anyways, guys, but okay, now it's actually getting smooth. Okay, so let's go away. Customize the new computer. So let's go away. Remove this. Don't need this anymore. This, man, that's way too big, bro. Dang, it's so big. Okay, it's dang big, guys. Okay, so now we actually, so let's see how much cash are we actually getting. Oh my gosh, dude, come on, need to actually get used to my candy. Alright, dang, dude, it's actually wasting a lot of money. So now we can go actually get another. Oh my gosh, guys, wow, I'm actually starting to going so fast. Cute, so yeah, because I kind of feel like getting new plaques. I don't know for sure, but yeah. Guys, we're gonna have to do a lot of grinding in this game. Cute, so yeah, And of course, also I've been going to this game like a lot on Friday. Q. So yeah, boys. Oh, hey, what is, dude? Why is it still closing on me? Oh yeah, it's because I think I just tapped. Yeah, I just double tapped it. So let's go away. Keep on. Okay, so let's go away. Get a new camera. Q. So yeah, boys. So let's go away. Get this one. All right. And then we ask what's way. And then after that oh yeah, we got this computer, but we got a new camera. So we actually got, now we are getting 2.3 quintillion SD cards. Look how much fast I'm actually getting, like, these SD cards. It's actually so fast. Q, yeah, look how, dude, oh my dang, dude, oh my days. Look at all this SD cards I'm actually getting. And the quiz is actually like one of the epiest things I've ever done. Q, so yeah, so yeah, the squawks way get 1/6 SD cards, and hopefully be able to keep eating the Q. So yeah, so give yourself a good way, don't give up, don't get started, Q. I just keep going, try to get me going straight. So we keep on we go to viewers, upload videos, keep on, here we go, video, keep on uploading, keep on editing, take your time, Q. So yeah, we become popular if you age, Q. So yeah, so we keep on and keep on more keep on uploading clickbait, tips and tricks, life hacks, and more. In order to actually get more viewers and subscribers as fast as guys, just keep on recording, editing, uploading, over and over. So yeah, oh my gosh, I can't believe it actually shows so much. Okay, so yeah, guys, I actually got 1.6 trillion SD cards. Okay, man, guys, I can't believe it actually showed so loud. I just loved it, man. Luckily my parents are gone, man. I just don't have to shout like that. Okay, so yeah, but look at my cash. It's actually now flying so fast. Okay, so yeah, so yeah, the good thing is I'm actually getting a lot of cash. Okay, so yeah, so now I'm actually having even more great time in what's actually keep grinding. Okay, and look how much gems do I have. I got 50 quintillion gems. Okay, so yeah, oops, sorry about that, I just burped. Dang, I can't believe I actually just burped in the video. This is actually my first time burping. So anyways, but yeah, so let's go away, keep on getting Q. So how about I'm gonna go away, see how quick can I actually get in 20 minutes? Q. So, yep, so let me be right back when I'm actually going away after I finish losing a lot of SD cards, all my SD cards. Q. So yep, okay, I got 200. Guys, as you guys see, I got 287.86 trillion cash and 80 quintillion gems. Damn, that's actually so much. Dude, okay. So now we can go away, buy a new camera and a new PC. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I actually got so much cash right now. Q. So yeah, so let's go away because I know today I'm actually not getting plaques just because I can't just like it. I feel like going more gems. I just want to save up. Q. So yeah, so let's go away. Get to the best area that I've ever unlocked. Q. So yeah, I can't believe the doors are actually about to close for me. So yeah, I can't believe that I still can't believe I actually showed that loud. I'm sorry about that, guys. It's just because I just love to, it just feels nice, So, this is the one that we actually can afford. Damn, that one is actually, like, more expensive. Q. So, yeah, so, let's go away, get this computer. Okay, so, yeah, so let's go away, just get more and more SD cards. Look how much, oh my gosh, dang, dude. Look how much, oh my gosh. This is actually way too big, guys. I can't believe this. Man, I can't believe I'm actually getting so many SD cards. Okay, so let's go away, grind, Q. So, yeah, let's go away, just keep grinding, Q. Look how much gems do I have. Okay, my gems are flying, even my cash, man. Look how fast they're going, dude. Man, okay. Actually, let's go away. So yeah, I'm actually not getting that much I need to actually go actually just get a new computer, and yeah, to be honest, I'm actually getting so many cash, and like, look at this dude. I mean, yeah, of course. I'm giving so much, okay. So let's go away, use this boost because then you'll be able to help me a lot. I mean, look at this dude. My cash is now flying even more faster. Like it's so pure. So guys, and as you can see, I actually got 8,000 subscribers. Okay, so yeah, so yeah, and I actually got so many cash right now. This is actually so good. I can't believe I'm actually grinding so much, guys. I can't believe I actually got this OP so much. It's because I've been grinding off camera a lot lately, okay? So yeah, guys. So anyways, guys, but I kind of feel like ending the video here. So this is how far we actually got for in 20 minutes. I know it's actually not that far, but yeah, okay, I actually got disconnected from the game. Well, anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and comment down below if you guys want me to make more videos, okay? And also, think the best smash the like button when it's good. Also remember, guys, subscribe to my fourth channel, towards iOS channel. I know I actually didn't write in the description of the last video, but hopefully I'll be able to continue doing this video, and I'll be able to continue uploading more and more videos. I'm going to also be posting more videos. I'm going to also be uploading. I'm gonna be recording on the iPhone and uploading more videos on the iPhone, right? So yeah, that's what it means because obviously this is actually awesome. So yeah, I'm not gonna be uploading that much. Or maybe I might actually upload to this channel. So anyways, thank you and goodbye. I'm gonna have to sort this out. So yeah,